In this report, we will discuss the TP-Link TL-WPA7517 KIT, an AV1000 Gigabit Powerline AC Wi-Fi kit. This product is designed to provide seamless and reliable internet connection throughout your home, utilizing your home's electrical wiring as a medium. This report will cover the features and specifications of the product, its performance, price, availability, coverage, method of operation, and intended users. Additionally, we will provide a list of pros and cons to help you make an informed decision when purchasing this product. Features and specifications. The TP-Link TL-WPA7517 KIT is a powerful networking solution that includes a pair of AV1000 Gigabit Powerline adapters and an AC750 Wi-Fi Powerline extender. The adapters are designed to create a wired connection between your router and your device, using the existing electrical wiring in your home to transmit data. The Wi-Fi extender is designed to provide a wireless connection to devices that are too far away from your router to connect directly. This product features dual-band Wi-Fi, with speeds of up to 750 megabits per second, and Gigabit Ethernet ports for wired connections. It also features a plug-and-play setup, allowing for easy installation without the need for any additional software. The TL-WPA7517 kit also supports Wi-Fi clone, which enables seamless roaming by copying your router's network name and password. Performance. The TP-Link TL-WPA7517 kit delivers reliable and stable performance, with speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second over the electrical wiring and up to 750 megabits per second over Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi extender is capable of covering an area of up to 300 square meters, depending on the layout of your home. The product also comes equipped with quality of service (QoS) technology, which prioritizes bandwidth-intensive applications for a smoother online experience. Price and availability. The TP-Link TL-WPA7517 kit is available on various online marketplaces and retail stores, including Amazon and Best Buy, at a price of around $99.99. This price may vary depending on the retailer and any promotions they may be offering. Coverage and method of operation. The TL-WPA7517 kit uses your home's electrical wiring to create a network, making it an ideal solution for homes with thick walls or multiple floors. The Wi-Fi extender is designed to cover an area of up to 300 square meters, but this can vary depending on the layout of your home. The method of operation is simple: plug the adapters into a power outlet and connect your router and devices to the network. The TL-WPA7517 kit is compatible with most routers and devices, making it an easy addition to any home network. Intended users. The TP-Link TL-WPA7517 kit is designed for individuals or families looking to extend their home network's coverage and reliability. It is particularly useful for homes with thick walls or multiple floors, where a traditional Wi-Fi network may struggle to provide reliable coverage. The TL-WPA7517 kit is also ideal for those who require a wired connection for gaming, streaming, or other bandwidth-intensive applications. Pros. Easy to set up and install with no additional software required. Provides a stable and reliable internet connection over electrical wiring. Dual-band Wi-Fi with speeds of up to 750 megabits per second. Gigabit Ethernet ports for wired connections. Supports Wi-Fi clone for seamless roaming. Quality of service (QoS) technology prioritizes bandwidth-intensive applications. Cons. Wi-Fi coverage may be affected by the layout of your home. The price may be higher than other Wi-Fi extenders on the market. Performance may be affected by the quality of your electrical wiring. The TP-Link TL-WPA7517 KIT is a powerful and reliable networking solution that provides a stable internet connection throughout your home. Its plug-and-play setup makes it easy to install, and its dual-band Wi-Fi with speeds of up to 750 megabits per second ensures a seamless online experience. The product's Gigabit Ethernet ports and support for quality of service (QoS) technology make it an ideal choice for gaming, streaming, and other bandwidth-intensive applications. While the product's price may be higher than other Wi-Fi extenders on the market, its performance and reliability make it a worthwhile investment for individuals or families looking to extend their home network's coverage. Overall, the TP-Link TL-WPA7517 KIT is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance networking solution.